I cut it open. It slowly peeled off. Like as you can see, there was loads of loom bands wrapped around it, as you can see in here. Can you see them? They're all like there. And then this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna cut this up now to see what it looks like inside. So it was rubber, and that's what it looks like inside. And then now I'm going to cut open this pebble one. Change of plan, I'm not going to do this one, it's too hard to do. But I will be posting some more videos of that thing. Alright, so this is my motorbike. It's a lovely thing, it keeps me happy. And I can nearly kickstart it. I can nearly kickstart it, so yeah. Make some more videos on this soon.